everybody. Hey, I just wanted to let you know that I just finished this part one of how I colored the flower truck in the World of Flowers coloring book. But this is a Patreon exclusive video. However, I did put the colors I used on my Etsy shop, and I put the link below for that if you're not a patron of mine. But if you are a patron, you can unlock the video. I made a full video of it, so you can actually watch the full video of part one, and also you can download all the colors as well for all my patrons, okay? And again, if you're not, you can just get it on Etsy. All right, thank you very much for watching my YouTube videos and for being a patron. All right, I will see you on part two. Ciao.